When should you request for gimbal footage really? Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. We recently had a client who was putting on a workshop of brand new content we've never captured before. But not wanting to have too high of a budget, he opted for just one camera and thought the movement of the gimbal would be a nice touch. When he got the footage, though, he was concerned about just how much movement there was and how at times there was even unusable footage, getting readjusted and setting focus. Well, that's gimbal footage for you. Now, lucky for him, we did have a feeling and set up a secondary wide-shot camera in the back to be able to supply to him, so he had his full workshop without cuts or movement. A gimbal is great when you're giving a tour like we've done for the urban farm, or if you want quality B-roll footage like we've captured with Ramsey. These shots can be powerful to add to your speaker reel, highlight video, or overview video, but typically not one you want to count on to capture a full speech or workshop. That is where stationary or camera-operated speaker close-ups are best. So, what's really the best plan of action for your events and workshops? Multiple cameras. Have a wide shot to capture the full feel of the room, audience size, stage, and decor. Then have a stationary monitored close-up to capture a consistent speaking shot. Then include the gimbal to get different shots with movement, with the audience, and in different areas of the room you wouldn't have been able to get otherwise. It may feel like overkill, but when it comes to editing, you want options. If you have any questions about how to capture your next event, don't hesitate to click on the link in the description and schedule a complimentary strategy session.